How to scan a PDF document in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open files and then open a folder where you want to scan a PDF, and then on top right corner you can see these three dot icon. Now click on it and then click on scan document. Now here you can scan your document and then capture it. Now here you can see my document will be scanned, and then click on save, and here rename it and then click on done, and here you can see my document will be scanned. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.